Hi, Daniel Parsons. You can always reach me by email from anywhere in the world, Daniel at parsonsmarketing.net. You can also reach me on the Telegram app for free anywhere in the world with the handle Daniel Parsons, Parsons, and that's a P like Papa. And I want to introduce to you today, the 20th of November, 2022, the Prife International, a wellness company based in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And the iTeraBio is a foot massager, and it's going to be available shortly in the United States of America. This would be the ultimate gift to give wellness to yourself or to your family member. So the iTeraBio clears blockages, enhances circulation from the inside out. Cells activated, dispels cold and dampness, and promotes circulation in your body. It also is a diathermy fat burner, body shaping and anti-aging, relieves inflammation, and purifies the body and promotes metabolism and cell activation again. So experience the resonance effects of terahertz waves, biomagnetic energy, and human cells all at the same frequency. Terahertz waves were discovered years ago, but a brilliant young Chinese scientist back in 2015 found a way to harness terahertz waves and start being creating products that will help people in the wellness, because the terahertz wave is actually the same frequency that your body is already generating. And so iTeraBio, I already told you what many of these effects are. 15 minutes a day is equivalent to 60 minutes of aerobic exercise, 8 hours of massage with bare hands, 60 minutes of sweating, 30 minutes of gua sha, 180 minutes of moxibustion, and 20 times of cupping, which is actually a practice. I'm starting to learn quite a bit about this. I had no idea about wellness and alternative medicine when I was a young man, born in the late 50s, but I sure have learned quite a bit about it now that I'm in my 60s. So best choice for your family and experienced lifestyle and sustainable health. Suitable for cold and damp physique, office worker, postpartum mothers, obese people, people interested in being beautiful. Well, aren't we all? Middle-aged and elderly people, people who sit or stand for a long time, persons with hypertension, high cholesterol, and high blood sugar. Warms up your body inside out, dries away cold and dampness, gets rid of blockages to rebuild a healthy you. Triple energy for better effect. Improves circulation, stimulates your cellular immunity. So you just put your feet in this foot massager. Energy 1, the spectral imaging effects of terahertz waves. Energy 2, the biosine energy resonates with human cells at the same frequency. Energy 3, graphene far infrared ray rapidly. So you can actually find all this information yourself at this website right here, Prife, INTL.com, iTera-bio, okay? Just click on this products menu and you see the drop down right there. They started off with the iTera Care devices, and many people are using these iTera Care devices, and then the ion shields and the Seven Wonders water bottles now. So 70% of population are suffering from self-health problems, such as low body temperature, fatigue, anxiety, headache, and dizziness, gout, feeling heaviness, bloating, abdominal pain, indigestion, constipation, inability to concentrate, and memory loss, irregular menstruation. Okay, how can we help? So that is it for this iTeraBio introduction. The introductory price in Asia is $4,200. In the United States of America, it's being introduced at $4,500. I do not yet have a price for Europe, but it's probably going to be similar to the USA price, but I did not say what the price is in Europe yet. I said similar. So that being said, welcome to the iTeraBio, and that's it for this update. You can always reach me on Telegram or at that email I told you at the beginning of this message. God bless you, and I look forward to hearing you share your results of using the iTeraBio. Bye for now.